Hi friends, welcome back to Canva Bestie. Today I'm going to show you how to make rolling credits like this for your videos in Canva. Let's jump in and I'll show you how. Alright, so first let's open up a new design. We're going into videos and I'm going to search the video landscape, but you can do any size video you want. Alright, now that we're in our blank video, let's go down here and insert a blank slide. And I'm going to change the background to the traditional black, but once again, you can do whatever color you want. And then let's go over to our text on the left and let's add a body text, and you're going to plug in your information here that you want in the rolling credits. Once you plug your text into your text box, just resize it and center it to where you want it. And then you can also change the font by making sure it's selected and going up here to the corner and changing it. You can also change the line spacing and the letter spacing as well. Okay, so the next step is to animate it so it rolls up the screen. So what we want to do is select it and let's move it down while keeping it in the middle. And let's actually zoom out here so we can see better what we're doing. And you want to move it down so that it's not showing on the screen. Then we're going to select animate and we're going to select create an animation. Then we're going to hold down on our credit, hold shift, and we're going to slowly drag up until the writing is back off the page. When it's off the page, you just release your click and your shift and it will give you a preview of how the animation looks. It's a bit too fast, so let's change our movement style. We can do smooth or steady, and you can get a preview of how it looks on the right. You can also adjust your speed as well. If you're not happy with how it looks, you can select delete path and you can just redo it again. And when you're happy with the credit rolling, you can just go down here at the bottom and select done, and it will lock in the animation. Now to add another round of rolling credits, you're going to want to add a blank page like we did below and change it to black again. Then you want to plug in all your text information for your next page, center it in the middle to make sure it's center, and then drag it down to the bottom so it's not showing. It's really important that the whole text box is still on the canvas, because if it's not, the animation won't work. So you want to make sure the top is still on the canvas. Then, like before, with our text box selected, we're going up to animate and we're going to click, hold, and hold down shift to make a straight line and drag it nice and slow and as steady as we can until it's off the page again. And when you're happy with your animation path, you can adjust your movement styles and your speed. Okay, now we're clicking done and let's see how this looks. Perfect. So that is how you easily make a rolling credit video on Canva. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva content. Thanks so much for watching.